Okay, so this is the blank canvas. Then we click the plus sign. It takes us to the design and template page. Then we go to upload and upload our picture. So when you upload a picture, if your picture has a background, you click on, you resize the picture first of all, then click on effects, then remove the background remover, background to remove the background. Then after doing that, you can drag down the line to resize the picture. Okay, then in effects there are so many features like outline, glow, drop. So it depends on what you want, but I don't want to use any, so I click on and go back. And autofocus is it automatically focus the picture for you. Then blur, no blur is of course increase intensity of the blur and reduce it. So that's blur. Then dual tone. Dual tone is it's change give it like a filter kind of a way to change the tone of the picture to different colors. So you can decide to change yours, or you can decide to leave it just the way I left mine with the original. So next thing now is to you can see under still under effects. You see there's magic eraser. And magic eraser, what magic eraser does is it can use it to remove anything from the picture that you don't want. So let me show you an example. Okay, then you can see part of that of the face has gone. Oh, I don't want to use it, so I reset it and go back. Then I have to remove the background again. So click on background remover. Then you can see other features under effects. There's magic edit. So if you want to edit now, we just click on the face. Let's say you want to edit the face, rub all over the face. So after rubbing over the face, I'm done rubbing, then click continue. Then I can describe what I want. So I'll just put make him finer. I don't really have anything to, it's not like I'm going to edit anything. I'll still go back to the way it was. I'm just put make him finer and generate. So you see the different faces to bring. So if you want to actually edit your own picture, you can use it. So you can see different faces. So but I don't want to use any of them, so I'll just go back, click cancel and go back. Then you can see there's magic grab and grab text and the rest, so you can still explore when you're designing. Okay, so if you go to apps, it's taking time to load. If you go to apps, then there's mockups. Mockups is like when you design something and you want to see how it will be on maybe a shirt or a phone screen or a mug, like a cup. You want to see how it will be. So that's what mockup is for. Then I'll teach you mockup later, some other time. Okay, so now let's continue with the flyer. So now click on the plus sign, we go to elements, we add the shape. Let's say we add a rectangle. I'll add my rectangular shape. So I will shift it to the back because I want it to be the background. I'll click on it, then click on more, then send to back. So now I'll expand it. I will expand the rectangle to fit the canvas. So when I expand it, I'll now position my picture well too on the left hand side of the. Of course, I'll change the color of the background because we'll see the same color of the shirt. So let's say I use a bit of red and orange. Then and I go to gradients and maybe make the color have some gradients, then choose the style of gradient I want. So you can choose your own style, depends on you. So I've chosen mine. I've chosen mine. Then after the gradients, then I can now add elements. So I'll click on the plus sign. I'll adjust my picture first of all for add elements. Then click on the plus sign there. So then go to elements, and since it's a birthday flyer, I'll just write birthday and different graphics to come up. So now birthday, I'll click on search. So go to graphics. So from these different graphics now, I'll pick what I want to use in my flyer. So I've picked the first one as the balloon with gold color. Then pick the gifts with the gold color. Then adjust them to where I want to position them. I can also resize. Then I also adjust the balloon and resize it and shift it to where I want it to be. Top left corner. Then I can duplicate it. So I'll just click on the three buttons, and you see where you put more. Click on more. Click on copy, then paste. And click on paste. You can see the second one has come up, and take it to the other side of the canvas. So go back to elements and pick another element you want to use. So I think I'll take the birthday cake or the happy birthday sign. I'll take the birthday sign first of all, expand it so it's visible. Then go back again. So I'll go back again and pick another element. Let me take the cake now. I'll take the cake, the white cake. Yeah, but it has black lining. So I'll adjust it and reduce the size. And just keep on adjusting the elements to fit into design. So you have to be able to know how to use space and color. So I've changed the color of the cake now to the color of the previous elements. You get, so yeah, or I can still change it back if I want. So it depends on you and how you see if the color goes with the design you're planning to do. Don't just put colors anyhow. So I'll go back again and look for another element. I've seen this balloon, I want to add it. I'll reduce the size and shift it to the left hand side of the picture. Then I duplicate it the same way I did before. Copy, paste, take it and go back to the other side of the picture too. Okay, then I can still add maybe one more element, maybe a shiny element. I need something shiny, so I'll reduce I'll reduce the size, then try and add it behind the happy birthday sign. So I'll click more and click send to back or send backward till behind the birthday sign. Then I think I'll change color of the background, so I'll just change the color to something that matches with the elements. So I think this is okay. Then change the gradients. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, so I increase the size of the picture because he's the main person, is the birthday celebrant, so he has to be very visible. Adjust the birthday sign and the elements, take it upwards. Trying to see if it's fine bigger now. This is a bit better, it's smaller, it's better smaller. So I'll reduce the size, then add it on top. Yeah, exactly. Adjust the cake. So now I'm going to add text. So add the celebrant's name. So let's say his name is Joshua. So I'll add Joshua in caps lock. So after adding Joshua, I'll adjust the Joshua positioning as well. Then I can change the font. I think I'll change the font and I'll add some effects to it. So you can choose that font you want, or you can choose what I used. But I need something bold, so I'll just go to bold, click on bold, then check the font on that bold, then be checking which one goes well with it. So I think I like this one. Then I'll go to click on the text, then go to effects, then I'll look for an effect so that goes well with the text, but I feel it's too bold for it. So I think I like this follow, but let's check other ones. So I think the follow is the best one. So let's go back to the follow. Yeah, it's better. Then I think we're almost done. So what's next to add? Probably an element. So let's add an element. Okay, so I think we'll add this one, the small heart. We have to reduce the size and add the small heart on top of his head. So obviously this is celebrant. Yeah, maybe we'll still add one more element again, because I feel it's not complete. I just feel like the space isn't utilized enough. So let's find an element that will complement this design. So I think I've seen. I like the one with pro sign on it, left, top left. Yeah. So that's one I picked. So just reduce the size and put it under the Joshua. So I think now we're ready. I think this is alright. So we just make sure we adjust everything to fit. So we can add effects to the text, to the alphabet text, either color mix or some others. So yes, so just look for the text, the effects that we like and use. So I think I like this one. I want to do it. So I think we're kind of done. So now just to adjust the elements. So you can also flip. If let's say you want to flip, you can flip. There are other features to do. So now we just have to adjust the elements to make sure it's alright. So I think we'll adjust what needs adjusting. Okay, the shiny stuff, then the balloon on the top right. So I think it's not the same. We don't on the top left, so we just shoot it up a little bit. So I think this is alright. Then maybe let's see if we can adjust the color of the background. Maybe we'll find a better color. But I like this color though. Or you can change yours if you want to. So I think nah, I don't like this. I can check different gradients with the color, but I don't like it. I'll still change it. Just try different gradients when you're using yours. When you're creating yours, try different gradients. Then I will change the color. I don't like this color. Let me use another color. Let me see whether it's good. No, I don't like this. I don't like this. Of course not. Too much. This is too much. You get me. So just change different colors till you get the one that you want. And I think I'm going to go back to the original color. So I prefer this, and I think we're alright now. I think design is ready. So to add a new page, you just swipe to the right to add the page. Swipe to the right around that page. That's how to add new pages. You go back to your former design. To your design, you just swipe to the left. That's what. That's it. So you can design like 3 different designs on one like one particular design category. You can have like 5 or more pages. So let's go back to our design, and this is it. Voila.